Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a budget using the Discover Cashback Card, full guide step by step clearly. Start by gathering all your financial statements and recent bank statements. This will help you get a clear picture of your income and expenses. Once you have this information, list all sources of income. Include your salary, side jobs, and any passive income streams. Next, identify your fixed expenses. These are costs that remain the same each month, like rent or mortgage payments. Now, gather your variable expenses. These can fluctuate each month and may include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. After listing your expenses, categorize them into necessary and discretionary items. Necessary items include rent, utilities, and groceries, while discretionary items cover dining out and entertainment. Next, use the Discover Cashback Card to track your spending. Make sure to use it for everyday purchases to maximize your cashback rewards. Regularly check your statements to see where your money is going. Calculate how much cashback you earn each month and factor that into your budget. Once you have a clear view of your income and expenses, create a budget framework. Allocate funds to each category based on your financial goals and spending habits. Be sure to reserve a portion for savings and debt repayment. Adjust your categories as necessary based on your spending habits and cash flow. At the end of each month, review your budget. Analyze areas where you may have overspent and identify opportunities to save. Set realistic goals for the following month based on this analysis. Finally, stay disciplined and committed to using your Discover Cashback Card wisely. This will help you build a solid budget while earning rewards along the way. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process that may need adjustments over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.